My neighbor Susan spent $2,000 in 4 months fighting her HOA for the right to build a privacy fence. She submitted the application in March. The board rejected it in April because the proposed height exceeded the limit by 4 inches. She revised the plans and resubmitted in May. They approved it in June with conditions. The fence had to be a specific shade of cedar. The posts had to be set at least 2 feet deep. The contractor had to be licensed and insured. By the time the fence actually went up in late July, summer was half over, and Susan had spent more on permits and lumber than she spent on her last family vacation. She won the battle, but she lost the season. The problem is not Susan. The problem is a system designed to make privacy feel like a privilege you have to earn through paperwork, patience, and a thick checkbook. I want to promise you something right now. You do not need any of what Susan went through. You do not need a permit. You do not need a contractor. You do not need to ask anyone for permission. There is an entire category of backyard privacy solutions that sit completely outside the HOA rulebook, because they are not structures. They are temporary, freestanding, creative summer decorating, and every single supply you need is sitting on a Dollar Tree shelf for $1.25. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. Today we are walking through 9 Dollar Tree summer backyard privacy hacks that need no permission, no permanent installation, and no weekend-ruining labor. If you have ever felt like your outdoor space was a little too exposed and the rulebook was standing between you and a solution, these are for you. Hack number 1, the tension rod and outdoor tablecloth privacy panel. This is the hack that changed my porch, and it is where I want you to start, because it solves the most common privacy problem faster than anything else on this list. Dollar Tree sells small extendable tension rods in the home section, the kind meant for hanging curtains or shower liners. They also sell vinyl outdoor tablecloths with flannel backing in the party section. These tablecloths are waterproof, opaque, and surprisingly heavy. They hang like real curtains. Mount a tension rod between 2 porch posts or across a balcony opening. Use clip-on curtain rings, also available at Dollar Tree, to hang the tablecloth. In under 10 minutes, you have a soft privacy wall that blocks the neighbor's view completely. When summer ends, or when you want the open air back, the whole thing comes down in seconds. No holes, no hardware, no phone call to the HOA. This is the essence of temporary privacy. It works because it is not a structure. It is a curtain on a spring-loaded rod, and no HOA in the country has a rule against curtains. Hack number 2, the bamboo roll-up blind vertical screen. Dollar Tree bamboo blinds are one of the most underutilized privacy tools in the store. They are meant for windows, but rotate them 90 degrees and mount them vertically between 2 posts or along a balcony railing, and they become something entirely different. The bamboo slats create a natural woven texture that looks nearly identical to reed fencing, which garden centers sell for $20 to $30 per panel. The Dollar Tree version costs $1.25. String 3 or 4 of them side by side using zip ties, and you have a continuous natural privacy screen that blends beautifully with any backyard or porch setting. The warm tone of the bamboo adds an organic element that feels both rustic and refined. Because the blinds are lightweight and mounted with temporary zip ties, the whole setup is fully removable. At the end of summer, you roll them up and store them in the garage. This is budget privacy that genuinely looks more expensive than it is. And the bamboo material makes it feel like a design choice rather than a workaround. Now, before we continue, I want to ask you something. What is the one spot in your backyard or on your porch where you feel most exposed right now? The side that faces the neighbor's kitchen window? The balcony that looks directly into the apartment across the street? Tell me in the comments. Picture that spot as I walk you through the rest of these hacks, because every single one of them is designed to solve exactly that problem. Hack number 3, the shower caddy hanging herb wall. This is the hack that turns a privacy problem into a garden feature. Dollar Tree sells over-the-shower caddies in the bath section, the kind with multiple shelves and hooks designed to hang from a shower head. Those same caddies hook perfectly over a balcony railing, a porch beam, or a tension rod. Each shelf holds a small potted herb or flowering plant. When you line up 3 or 4 of these caddies side by side, the plants create a living privacy screen that blocks sightlines while providing you with fresh basil, mint, and oregano all summer long. The caddies are plastic, lightweight, and fully removable. They leave no marks on the railing. This is a DIY privacy solution that serves double duty. It gives you seclusion and a kitchen garden in the same square footage. For anyone with a small balcony or porch where every inch counts, this is the hack that makes the most of limited space. The plants soften the look, the caddies provide the structure, and the entire setup costs under $10. Hack number 4. The pop-up laundry hamper column. This is one of the most creative Dollar Tree privacy hacks I have come across, and it works so well because it reimagines a household item completely. Dollar Tree sells pop-up mesh laundry hampers in the laundry section. They are tall, cylindrical, and they hold their shape thanks to a springy wire frame. Fill one with potting soil and plant a fast-growing ornamental grass, a tall annual like sunflowers or amaranth, or a climbing vine with a small bamboo stake for support. Place several of these hampers in a row along the edge of your porch or the boundary of your patio. As the plants grow, they transform each hamper into a column of foliage. Because the hampers are freestanding and lightweight, they are technically container plants, not a structure. The HOA cannot regulate your container garden. You can move them to follow the sun, rearrange them as plants grow, or bring them inside when summer ends. The mesh sides allow excess water to drain, and the wire frame holds up through the entire growing season. For under $5 per column you get a movable living privacy wall that is 100% temporary. Hack number 5. The freestanding coat rack privacy frame. If you need a portable privacy solution that can be set up and taken down in under 2 minutes, this is the one. Dollar Tree sells simple collapsible garment racks in the home section, the kind meant for hanging clothes in a laundry room or closet. Placed on a porch or patio, that same rack becomes a freestanding frame. Drape a Dollar Tree shower curtain, tablecloth or fabric panel over it, and you have an instant privacy screen that stands completely on its own. It requires no walls, no posts, no railings. It weighs almost nothing. When you are done using it, fold it flat and slide it into a closet. For renters, condo owners, and anyone whose summer privacy needs change from day to day, this is the most flexible solution on the list. The entire setup costs about $7 and can be configured however you need it. Angle it to block a specific sightline. Move it to shade your seating area as the sun shifts. Take it to the beach or the park. This is temporary privacy in its purest form. Hack number 6. The plastic tablecloth strip screen. This is one of the most playful and effective balcony privacy hacks I have ever seen, and it costs about $3 total. Dollar Tree plastic tablecloths come in a range of colors, including frosted clear options that diffuse light beautifully. Cut a tablecloth into long vertical strips from the bottom up, stopping a few inches from the top so the strips stay connected. Hang the uncut top edge from a tension rod or a wire strung between 2 posts. The strips hang down and move with the breeze. They obscure the view from outside without darkening your space, which is perfect for a small balcony or porch where you still want natural light. The frosted version creates a soft diffused glow when sunlight hits it. This hack is pure DIY creativity, and it takes about 5 minutes from start to finish. When summer ends, the whole thing comes down in seconds and rolls up for storage. It is temporary, cheap, and surprisingly elegant in person. Now let me pause and ask you another question. Of these first 6 hacks, which one can you actually picture on your porch or in your backyard right now? The tension rod curtain, the bamboo blind screen, the shower caddy herb wall, the laundry hamper planters, the coat rack frame, or the strip screen? Tell me in the comments. Your answer tells me what kind of space you are working with, and I read every one of those comments. Hack number 7. The over-the-door hook hanging basket screen. Dollar Tree sells over-the-door hooks in the home section, the kind with multiple hooks designed to hang over a door and hold coats or bags. Those same hooks fit perfectly over a porch railing, a balcony edge, or even the top of a fence. Hang a wire basket filled with trailing plants from each hook. As the plants grow and cascade downward, the baskets disappear behind a curtain of green foliage. This creates a layered living screen that blocks sightlines from below, while still feeling open and airy above. The hooks are padded so they do not scratch the railing. The baskets are lightweight. The entire setup is fully removable in under a minute. For summer privacy that doubles as a garden feature, this hack is hard to beat. Choose fast-growing trailing plants like sweet potato vine, English ivy, or trailing petunias for maximum coverage in minimum time. Hack number 8. The bamboo stake and twine folding screen. This is the hack for anyone who wants a freestanding privacy screen that looks handcrafted and rustic. Dollar Tree sells packs of bamboo stakes in the garden section, and jute twine in the craft section. Take 6 or 8 stakes and lash them together with twine to create a folding screen, the kind you might see in a home decor catalog for $100 or more. Each panel is about 2 feet wide and 5 feet tall. Connect 3 or 4 panels together with twine hinges, and you have a freestanding privacy screen that can be arranged in any configuration. Fold it flat for storage. Angle it to block a specific view. Move it around your porch or patio as needed. Plant a climbing vine at the base of each panel, and let it weave through the bamboo for a living privacy wall by midsummer. The twine holds everything together without any metal hardware. This is DIY privacy that costs about $6 and looks like it came from a high-end garden shop. Hack number 9. The broom handle and garden flag bunting screen. Dollar Tree sells broom handles in the cleaning section and seasonal garden flags in the garden section. Set 2 broom handles into buckets filled with sand or gravel. String jute twine or coated wire between them at 2 or 3 different heights. Clip garden flags onto the lines using clothespins or small binder clips. The flags hang vertically and create a row of colorful fabric panels that flutter in the breeze and break up sight lines. They add personality and partial privacy at the same time. Change the flags with the season. Bright florals for summer. Patriotic themes for July. Sunflowers for August. To set up is fully portable and can be moved anywhere on your porch or patio. When summer ends, take it apart and store the pieces flat. This is temporary summer privacy that feels cheerful and intentional, not like a barrier. There you have it. 9 ways to reclaim your backyard this summer without a single permit, a single post hole, or a single conversation with your HOA. None of what I showed you today is a structure. Every bit of it is temporary, freestanding, and fully reversible. That is the loophole. The rulebook governs permanent construction. It does not govern curtains, container plants, or creative decorating. And once you see that distinction clearly, your entire outdoor space opens up. If this gave you a vision for your own porch or patio, tell me in the comments which hack you are trying first and where you are putting it. I read every one of those. Subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more ways to make your outdoor space beautiful without asking anyone for approval. Until next time, go build something that makes your backyard feel like yours again.